How to change language in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Changing the language setting in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal is usually straightforward, so here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you end up in this kind of a screen, go ahead and click on the Options tab from the left. Inside Options, select Advanced Options, and on the next page, click on Language Select. Now, choose a different language you want to change to from the list. Right after you select the language, you will be required to restart your game for the changes to take effect. Click on the Restart button in the pop-up at the top in order to change your language. This will restart the game and your game will then appear in your preferred or chosen language. So that is how you change your language setting in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.